Hi friends! Today we're going to talk about the dime. So I have a little book here called Dimes by Mary Hill. It has some great pictures of the dime in it. Dimes are American coins. Dimes are made of metal. Franklin D. Roosevelt is on the front of the dime. He was the 32nd president of the United States. Franklin D. Roosevelt. On the back of the dime are a torch, an olive branch, and an oak branch. The torch in the middle stands for knowledge. The olive branch right here stands for peace, and the oak branch here stands for strength. And this right here, you know, this E pluribus unum, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but that stands for together we are one, the motto of the United States. Pennies and nickels have smooth sides, but dimes have bumpy sides. We'll talk more about that in a minute. A dime is worth 10 pennies. 10 dimes makes a dollar. 10 dimes can buy this ice cream cone. Dimes can be used to buy many things. The end. You are going to turn in your math journal to page 44. So make sure that you're on page 44, and the first video didn't work, so we're trying it again. At the top of the page, I want you to write this big long word, numismatist. Numismatist. If you really like collecting coins, you can be a numismatist. A numismatist is a coin collector. If I'm going too fast for you at any time, go ahead and hit pause. Then you're going to take and write dimes. And you need to get out your card that says dime. A dime has a value of 10 cents. And glue it in here right next to the red line. Then here we wrote 10 cents. And we also wrote it in dollars and cents. Go ahead and finish that up. All right, hit pause if you need to. Okay. President Franklin D. Roosevelt is on the front. He was the 32nd president. So go ahead and write those two sentences down. Make sure that you have capital letters and periods. Our next fact that we're putting down is that dimes are the smallest coins in size, but they're not the least value. Next, if you'll notice, dimes have the little bumps or ridges around them. And those little ridges are called reeds, and there are 118 of those little bumps on a dime. So they have 118 ridges on them called reeds. On the back of the dime are three things. The olive branch stands for peace. The torch stands for knowledge. And the oak branch stands for strength. Give you just a second to get caught up. Then we have a picture of the front of the dime up top here, but we need a picture of the back of our dime. So I found two on page 468 and I cut them out and I just glued one on each side. So use 468 and find your dimes to cut out. Go ahead and hit pause if you need more time. And then on this side of the page, right here, we're going to do right about one more fact. That's kind of interesting. And that is that the word dime comes from the French word dime. It's pronounced dime. I went over and asked Madame de Backer, and it's written like this. Little like arrow on top, dime. So the word dime comes from the French word dime, which means, so the meaning of this word means 10th part. Does that make sense that the dime would mean 10th part?
Yeah.
Okay. 10th part. Or it also means tithe. Okay. Like if you've ever heard of tithing. Tithe. So there's a little language lesson about where the word dime came from. Go ahead and finish up this page, and I hope that you've enjoyed learning about dimes, and I'll see you later. Bye.